Hi everybody, I am just back from Fiji, a little vacation that I took, and I tested a bunch of fun stuff, some skincare products, my new hot picks, and I'm really excited to share those with you. Alright, so really fun. By the way, I have done a vlog of my trip to Fiji. I don't normally do vlogs, but I'm going to start doing a lot more because you guys asked. You said you wanted a little bit more behind the scenes of my life and everything. So your wish is my command. So look out for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it. Alright, so without further ado, I took some skincare products with me to Fiji because I get sent a lot to test. If you're new to my channel, I test green, non-toxic, but really good winding back the clock, aging well products, I should say. And so these are some of the ones that I really liked. The first thing I want to show you is some of the bags that I took, because these bags came across my radar before I went, and they caught my eye because I thought they were so beautiful. They're by a brand called Sumui or Samai. The link is underneath the video. I'm never very good at names. But anyway, I do want to show you, isn't this backpack the most adorable thing you have ever seen? It's got these little kind of pom-poms on it, as has the bag. Perfect for yoga, for the gym and whatnot. And this was my beach bag. Hi, Sunshine. Can you see Sunshine? Sunshine's so naughty. I'm just saying, she's cruising the skincare products that I've got beside me on the bed because she's going to try and eat them. This dog will try and eat anything. And you know what she's smelling? I know what she's smelling. It's what I'm about to show you. She's so wicked. Even skincare you think is food. But the funny thing is, a lot of the skincare is completely edible because it's so clean and green. So you're onto something there. Sunshine. Okay, so, but you're not going to eat it, Sunshine. So this bag was my beach bag. Isn't that? I'm completely in love with it. Really, truly, very roomy, very eye-catching, got lots of great comments. All right, let's move on to some of the products now. So the first thing, which in fact Sunshine is trying to eat this very product that I'm going to show you, is that being in Fiji and being on vacation, but anyway, I like to do a scrub. But I also like to do a body mask. So I like something that's a cross between a scrub and a mask, because a scrub I can just, you know, is quite easy to do, and I, by the way, have a lot of DIYs on body scrubs. But a mask is something that infuses the skin on your body with certain nutrients, and in this case this is absolutely awesome. So matcha green tea is the sort of trending ingredient right now, but I've loved matcha green tea for years. I drink matcha green tea every single day, and I love to incorporate it in skincare products. So this body is called a natural body scrub, has premium grade matcha green tea. It has sugar, toasted coconut and coconut oil. And I can only tell you that when you open this bag and smell it, you will be completely wowed. I love the fact that it comes in a pouch, so it's really easy to pack when you're traveling, and it leaves your skin feeling very hydrated and without stripping of it any of its goodness. In fact, it does the opposite because it puts the polyphenols, which are the antioxidants from the green tea, into your skin. So love, revival. All right, next up, Sunshine, that's the thing she wants to eat, because I think the sugar in the green tea, it's reminiscent of the muffins that I make in this house. All right, second up, Sunshine, is, let's talk about, so after I've done my body scrub in the morning, the first thing that I like to put on is a body oil. And particularly when I'm on vacation in the morning, it's always a body oil. So I get out of the shower, my skin is still slightly damp, and what I absolutely fell in love with was this oil, and it is by Olive Plus M, and it comes in a spritzer. It contains every single plant oil that I would be on my particular dream list for a body oil. It is all in this product. It's easy because you spritz it on so you don't feel like you're dripping in oil. So a little bit of a spritz on the arm, leg, tummy, etc. Rubs in very, very easy. You massage it in and it absorbs super duper quickly. So you can get dressed almost immediately. I cannot recommend this body oil more highly. So that little combo in the morning of that scrub and that body oil, and I was in business. My skin was awesome all day long. Now, let's talk about the evening. So I've been in the sun, you know, all day, in and out of the sun, the salt water, etc., and my skin is definitely in need of some help. But I also will say that it's the winter here. Now I've come back, and Shea Butter is my go-to. Shea Butter is my go-to, you know, almost as an after sun. I never buy those after sun products, just use Shea Butter. And if my elbows and my knees and my heels are super duper dry in the winter, as they are with the indoor heating, Shea Butter. But Shea Butter in of itself doesn't really have much of a scent. I love scented products, but they need to be scented with natural essential oils. So I found this that I am completely taken with. It is a brand called Eugenia. Now it comes in this lovely little tin, and then this is like a little sort of doll's house thing. Inside the tin are 4 little mini tins, all of which have different scents. So I'm going to just take out the lavender one, and they are so divine, each of them. And the lavender one right here, let me just pop off the top off that, has a little sort of little thing to write to you, a little script, I should say, on it. And this size could not be more perfect for taking when you are traveling and for a little weekend away. I'm trying to get the little top off so I can show you the actual texture. Sunshine, help me out here. I'm not doing very well. Got it. It's a little rubber top, which is great. It's another little thing that's great because you just stick the little rubber top in and it keeps the whole thing really intact when you travel. The perfect travel companion. But then inside, what I wanted to show you is that it's really soft, and some Shea Butter is super duper hard. This one is not. There's different kinds of Shea Butter. So it's soft, silky, velvety, and I cannot recommend it more highly. I want to have that. I want a lifetime supply, by the way, of Eugenia Shea Butter, just saying. Right, Sunshine? All right, next thing, we've done the body. Let's talk about the face now. So I wanted to keep it really simple on vacation. I didn't want to take all my moving parts and my usual skincare regimen. And if you want to know what that is, and if you want to see some of the anti-aging ingredients that I use, please watch some of my other videos. But this, Sunshine, away from there, I wanted to keep simple. So I chose to test this product called, called Clo Organic Beauty, and it is an oil-based cleanser and an oil-based serum, and it worked wonders on my skin. It was so perfect. My skin was glowy, the products smell so beautiful, all the oils, all the ingredients in them are Sophie approved, are gorgeously green approved. And just before some of you, because I know so many people that I talk to, they go, but I'm worried about the oil. That's oil cleansing, that's oil serum. Well, you might be surprised, by the way, if you tend to break out. Sometimes I have known people that when they break out, the more they use oil, and I'm talking really good oils, like the ones that are in this products that actually mimic the sebum that your skin naturally produces, you add that, you infuse your skin with those sebum similar oils, and your skin will not produce so much sebum. That is a fact. And remember, it's the bacteria that causes the acne, not the beautiful plant oils that you're putting on your skin. So big thumbs up to Clo Organic Beauty. All right, let's move on to, nails. It was important to me to take some nail stuff. I wanted to take nail polish remover because I always get my nails polished before I go on vacation, but I know that they're going to chip probably after 2 days, and they did. So this is a new brand to me, Isla. I wanted to test it out. It is soy-based, it is soy polish remover, which is wonderful because it doesn't dry out your nails. And I never use that old school nail polish remover because my nails literally, they look like bleached coral when I've taken it off, and they will start splitting. So this is absolutely great, and I love it because it comes in little individual sachets. So I just popped 2 of those in my my travel bag, and I was done. Also, Isla does a bunch of beautiful nail polishes, and this one I fell in love with. Because I haven't got my glasses on, can't tell you the exact color, but I'll put it underneath this video, the link to it and the name of it. But it is like a purpley azure cobalt blue that in different lights either looks blue or purple, and I'm obsessed with it because it's great in the winter. winter because you want a slightly darker shade for your winter toe, and is also very, very pretty in the summer for a lovely beachy toe. I really enjoyed wearing this one on my toes in Fiji. So that is nails. Oh, and while we're on the subject of nails, since I came back, because I was in and out of all of that salt water all the time, my nails and my hair could do with a little bit of tender loving care. So now's the time for me to take some biotin. I strongly believe that biotin is a really, really great, a very important supplement if you're trying to grow thick, lustrous hair and you want get off sunshine and you want stronger. Now she's going for the face oil, and you want stronger nails. So this one is by Natural. I will put the link below, and why I love it is because it's sublingual. So rather than pop another pill, it dissolves under your tongue. It's strawberry flavored, and for hair and nail strength, for most people, I recommend 5,000 mcgs a day. So you just throw one of those in, done and done, forget about it, watch your nails grow stronger. Have I got anything else to show, sunshine? I think I've done everything. There's one more thing I want to show, which is a little bit strange, but I just know that there's people out there that will appreciate this, is if you, when you travel, ever have a problem with going to the bathroom like you do at home, just saying. Now, I will tell you that any woman that I mentioned this to, they go, me too, I do too. I've been on the hunt for something that will really work, that isn't going to cause, you know, sort of distress, digestive distress. Usually at home, just for the record, I take flaxseed every single morning. I throw flax seeds or ground flaxseed in my smoothie, done and done, does the job perfectly. Plus you get a slew of omega-3 fatty acids while you're at it. But I didn't want to take a big bag of flax, so went to the health food store, chatting with the nutritionist there who I know and love. She recommended Cascara Sagrada by Oregon Wild Harvest. Link is underneath the video. All I can say is it did the job, my friends. One and done. I took the whole thing and I just needed one. So I highly recommend that. If nothing else from this video, if you get that tip, that will be a good tip. But really do have a look at some of those skincare brands, because they're unusual ones. They're unique skincare brands that you might not have come across before. And that's my job. That's what I love to do with you, is highlight the best of what I get sent to me. And I get sent bunches of products, and I'm going to be really candid with you. 80% of them, boom, gone, really not much interest. They've got to be unique. They've got to be beautiful, they've got to be gorgeously green and all of that good stuff, and it's really fun for me to every now and again give you a little video with some of that takeaway. So goodbye from me. Leave me comments, do leave me questions, do check out my other videos, especially check out my Fiji vlog, and I will see you next time. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more, and please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.